Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello and welcome to this video solution of numeric. So the force that is acting on the machine part F is equal to minus 5 Newton or maybe minus 5 I cap. I'm not using any units for the time being. We'll take it on later stage. 4 J cap. The vector from the origin to the point where the force is applied is R vector, which is minus of 0.45 I cap. It's in meter plus 0.15 J cap, right? Okay, so here I can take a drawing. Right, so here what we see is that the force is negative 5 in the negative I direction and positive 5. So it's sort of like this here. The force, this is the force vector, right? And the position vector is also kind of like this here, R, right? It's in the negative I and positive J in the same quadrant. Okay. Uh, okay, so you can draw this a bit properly using this coordinates, right? So this point you have got 4, this is minus 5, and here you have got 4, right? And you can just shorten this length a bit. You have got minus, this is R, this is point minus 0.45, and here in the positive y direction it's 0.15, right? So this is R vector. So this is two vectors you can draw in your graph. Next, use the right angle rule to determine the direction of the torque, right? So the direction of the torque will be from the R vector towards this 4 vector. You need to rotate your uh, fingers of your right hand, and your thumb will be pointing into the direction, right? So it's into the plane, right? You have got B, torque is directed into the plane. C is the value of this torque vector, right? So the torque will be equal to, you can have I j k, right? For the R you have to write, or I can do it like it's R cross F, right? So there's a formula. So first you have to write down the vector R, which is minus 0.45, J is 0.15, K is 0, this is minus 5 and 4, 0, right? And this is equal to I, you can start with I, and it will be 0, plus J you can do, it will again be 0, plus K. Here you will have some values, right? It's minus 0.45 times of 4, minus of 0.15 times of minus 5, that gives you plus 5, or minus 5. I do it like this, and we take calculate it later. This is minus 1.05 k cap Newton meter is the net torque. So it's in the negative y direction, sorry, negative z direction. I hope this is clear to you, and have a very good rest of the day. Thank you.